Many times when we have a Steadicam on set and it goes to low mode, the camera goes upside down, and that way the image on the camera gets flipped. So on all of our monitors, we are seeing a flipped image. Now to resolve that problem, in most of the cinema cameras, there is an option called flip image or mirror image or flip the sensor. And that option, how we can do in Alexa Mini, I will show you in this video. So to show you guys, I'm having the camera here, but I'm gonna go to the simulator so you can see the menus better. So you go to your menus, and in menus you need to scroll down till you see system, and in system you need to go to sensor. And here you scroll down till you see mirror image, and in mirror image, first of all, you can flip it only vertically or only horizontally, and then you have V plus H, which is going to be vertical plus horizontal flip, which is going to be the real flip. So I will go on that and click on that, and then now your image should be flipped. So this is how easy it is to do in Arri Alexa Mini. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.